Hello guys, good day to you all. Welcome to this program, Emma's Chef Recipes. In today's program we are going to make banana cheese. That is what we are going to make in this program. But before I continue, I would like to say, if you are just joining this channel, or you are just watching this video for the first time, or you have been watching, you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe below this video. You can as well, when you subscribe, remember there is bell beside it. Click on the bell so that whenever we upload, you will get it automatically, even without you coming to our channel. So that is it. Also as well, give us some thumbs up, share our videos. So let's get into the kitchen. Hello everyone, as you can see, these are the ingredients that we need for this cheesecake. This is condensed milk, this is gelatin, this is heavy cream, and this is our butter. I will leave every details about the ingredients in the description section. You go there and see the measurements of all those things. So we are going to use our cheese as well, and also we need our, you can use any snacks of your choice. You can use cookies. I used bacon snacks. So this is what we need for this cheesecake, and let's get started. Get our pan that we are going to use and spread some oil. Just fry it in the bottom. You can see this condensed milk. I also did the recipe. You can see the recipe in our videos, so you can check for it how to do the condensed milk. As you can see, it's getting thickened the more. So you see, they change, but in a cycle that I
It's painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed like another season. Next to them just in time, dressed like another season. You came into my life dressed like another season. Next to them just in time, dressed like another season.
So right now we have bring this out of the fridge. You can see how strong it is. So we need to transfer our mixture into this pot. So let's begin.
I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. You came into my life just like another season. But I'll cherish every
So you can see
my way this season.
right now what we need to do is to pop this into our fridge for complete 24 hours. Then we can bring it out. So guys, you can see our cheesecake is ready. This is banana cheesecake. So right now let's try and so guys, I hope you enjoyed what we did today, how to make banana cheese. As you can see, I have some of them here. Let's see how this banana cheese tastes. You can see at the base we used bacon snacks. You see, wow. This tastes great. You need to try this for real. In my native language, we say jirikwe nwa ebifi tabiaka. Yes, that is what we do say now. You should take it easy before you chop your finger. So, wow. You really need to try this. You can see the base we used our bacon snacks. You can use any cookies of your choice. Wow. So guys, you can see this is wonderful. If you really do enjoy our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. At the same time, like and share our videos. Share to your loved ones. If you have any question you would like to ask about this recipe, don't forget to comment below. Comment below and I'll leave everything, the ingredients, the quantity, I'll leave them on the description section. So you make sure you watch this video, at the same time share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you on my next video. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. Bye bye.